Hey guys, this is Jerry back with that Theatrically Jerry, and today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video on the generic 6 by 50 watt retro light. So I don't know if you guys have seen these online, but they're trying to call them retro lights because they're hexagon shaped and they're inspired by lights from the early 80s and 70s. So um, I wanted to do unboxing videos for you guys to show you how nice these are. I have already done a unboxing video of the 7 by 50 watt retro lights, and they come in a circular shape. So they're like circular with the honeycomb lights on it. This one is the same make, except it is vertical instead of a circular shape. So this is more of like a pole retro light. Anyways, this is the rather large box it comes in, and we're going to go ahead and do a unboxing video to see what it looks like. So we have to grab our handy dandy scissors here to open this up for you guys. Let's go ahead and see how well these are packaged. So these are coming straight out from China, so they should be packaged pretty well to make the trip all the way back. The tape on it's pretty nice too, because you can't cut it really. Anyways, here we go. Got that on. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open this. Show you guys what it looks like inside here. Cut some more of this tape off here. Down at the bottom. There we go. Alright, so the first thing I'm noticing when I open this is that the base plate that keeps this standing up is just chilling out here, so I got to grab it real fast. So anyways, this is the actual base plate for the light itself, and it holds the light up. It's pretty sturdy feeling, but we are going to go over that later on. Just wanted to show you guys what that looked like. So let's go ahead and set that aside. We have some pretty thick foam padding, so that's always a good sign. Go ahead and set that aside. All right, we have our user manual, and it's not a super thick user manual, but I always suggest keeping and reading them. And it also has all of your channel values on here as well. This is a 2-mode light, so it can do 8 channels or 28 channels depending on how much control you want. So just go ahead and keep that, because I'm not sure if there's a pre-built profile for this light because it's generic. I do know, however, there is one for the retro 7 by 50 watt, and I do believe they're both interchangeable, minus that one extra light, so you would have to go into your profile and edit it, but you could always just duplicate the profile from the 7 by 50 watt. This is the 6 by 50 watt retro. We'll go ahead and put that down. I'm going to go ahead and set this up so you guys can see it better, so bear with me for a moment. Alright, so some other added accessories that came with the 6 by 50 watt is a 3-pin XLR, which is fairly typical. It's rather short. It's probably a 5 or 6 footer, but it's nice that they included that. They also included these little thumb screws here, and that is to screw the metal base plate here onto the bottom of the fixture. So you can see there's a couple holes there. And then we have our thumb screws. So you do get 2 of those. No tools required unless you want to tighten it. Then you're going to need a hex wrench. They also included a pretty standard and straightforward PowerCON connector here. So you do not need to purchase a PowerCON power supply because one is included with this light. So it seems like they've included everything with it. I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off just to show you guys what this looks like. However, I'm not going to go in depth on this because I will be doing a review on this light so you guys can see all of the features and the build quality, as well as some other things that this light includes. So I will be going over those, so if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and follow my channel at TheatricallyJerry, and an in-depth review will be uploaded shortly. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and take this plastic off. They do include this, I like to call them poor man dust covers, because I do save these plastic bags as dust covers for my fixtures when I'm not using them. So I am going to save that, but I'll take it off. And anyways, here is the 6x50 watt. It's not a super heavy fixture, but it's also not very light. Everything on this is metal, so it's actually an aluminum shell on it, so it does have some heft to it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. But yeah, as you can see, it came all in one piece. Nothing's broken on it. They did a very good job packaging it. So if you do order one of these, expect it to arrive in perfect condition due to their packaging. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching this unboxing video. If stuff like this interests you, stage lighting, DJ lighting, atmospherics, equipment, anything like that, go ahead and follow my channel at TheatricallyJerry. I do have a lot of reviews on generic off-brand lighting as well as brand lighting. I also offer a lot of tutorials on Code's Victory 3 console, so if that's something you're interested in, I do a lot of tutorials on consoles as well as setting up equipment. So if anything like that interests you, go ahead and follow my channel. Also, if you have any questions or comments about this light fixture, go ahead and leave them down below. I do respond to all questions and comments as quickly as I can. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so we can support the channel at TheatricallyJerry. Thank you guys for watching.